Last 28 days, this channel has made 1.8k from YouTube ad revenue, and this channel has made 894k revenue last 28 days. Let's check the another one. This channel has made 2.2k last 28 days. Okay, so it's all about animated Bible series videos. This channel has made 109k revenue, and their revenue more estimated revenue than last 28 days, 24.5k plus revenue more. So let's check the another one. And this channel has made 230k revenue, YouTube ad revenue. And the question is how they are making money on online. Is it Faceless YouTube channel or not? The answer is it's 100% Faceless YouTube channel. Is it really true to making money in 2025 using this kind of faceless videos? So are you dreaming to starting a YouTube channel and making money like this but don't know where to begin? Or maybe you are worried about choosing the right niche that can actually earn you money. Success doesn't come from copying others. It comes from picking a niche that excites you and has the potential to grow. In this video, I will reveal 16 profitable YouTube channel, a definitely faceless YouTube channel ideas for beginners. So grab a notebook and let's get started with that transforming your YouTube dream into a reality. And not only the ideas, I will show you how you can create this kind of animation cartoon videos using AI tools. Okay, so if you are a student and if you are looking for a side hustle, or if you want to start your faceless YouTube channel as a business, so this video for you. So here we go, 16 faceless YouTube channel ideas. The number one is faceless stories, and the CPM is 10 to 15. Number two, enemy self-help. The CPM is 8 to 12. Number three, moral stories, 10 to 15. Ancient philosophy, the CPM is 8 to 12. Number five, study with me, 5 to 14. Number six, true horror stories, CPM rate is 10 to 24. Number seven, book summaries, age, productivity and self-improvement. Number 9, internet pop culture analysis, and the CPM is 10 to 12. Number 10, movie and TV show analysis, and the CPM is same as 9. Number 11, AI news channel, and number 12, make money with AI, and the CPM is 10 to 25. Number 13, basic financial education. 14, creator analysis. 15, in-depth documentaries, and the CPM is 8 to 16. And last not the least, 16, 3D animation, and the CPM is 5 to 10. December 27, 2024, they just got between 28 to 62. Then next day, 28 December, 32 to 73, 32 to 71, 31, 67. Each and every single day they are just making money. Each and every YouTube channel that I showed you, you can visit. Okay, Ellie Kids cartoon and songs, they are just uploaded 999 videos. Okay, subs, they are getting huge number of subs and views. They just uploaded 137 videos. Okay, and last 28 days they got 1 million views and estimated revenue 2.2k last 28 days. Okay, so this is just a number they're just earning, but another ways they can make money, like they're doing different kind of promotion or different kind of sponsorship. And maybe you notice they are creating different kind of animated videos. Okay, and they are just doing fantastic work. Okay, their thumbnail is very awesome. It's very easy. You can create this kind of thumbnail, also you can create this kind of videos. So they got a niche. Okay, it's a Bible in a nutshell. It's a story all about Bible. So I've already showed you 16 YouTube channel ideas, so you can pick one and you can go ahead. So I believe you took a note of 16 YouTube channel ideas, so you can pick one. Okay, and then the number one step is you have to create a YouTube channel. Just create a YouTube channel and set up everything like this. So optimize your YouTube channel very smartly. Just add a banner, add a good picture, and third step is you have to generate this kind of videos. Okay, so I will show you in this section how we can create this kind of videos. Okay, and different niches. The tool I'm going to show you, it's called Short AI. So you can generate bulk AI short. Okay, so that means you can grow your YouTube channel simultaneously. You can grow your TikTok and other social media platform. Okay, so it's a AI story video. So our target is to producing the first of all the shorts video, and then we can convert it into the long format video. So we can create different animation video, cartoon video, and the story video, and other different kind of reality story or other fake story. Okay, and different kind of viral story video. As a beginner, if you want to grow your channel or your Reels account or TikTok account, and if you want to make money, so definitely you have to create shorts video and you have to upload. And when you get some subscribers, then you can produce different kind of long format video, and then you can add some subtitles to grab your attention. And these tools have supported 32 plus languages. Also you can schedule your post. That's mean you can post into your TikTok account, Instagram and YouTube channel from these tools. Okay, so first of all you have to sign up. So you can use your Gmail account. Okay, so I have already an account and I'm going to click dashboard, and this is my account, Faceless video. All right, so scroll down, you will find popular templates and AI story video. Click on that and you will find a different kind of story video sample. So got it, maybe you can choose it. Okay, so click on AI story video and you can find background style. Okay, so you can choose a background style. What kind of style do you want? All right, so I'm going to pick a dark style and then click on next. Perfect. In this section you can select templates. So what is templates? It's like a by default auto-generated different kind of stories for different kind of script. Okay, here you can see the motivational, philosophy, fun facts, also live pro tips, long form jokes, bedtime stories. So I'm going to click on motivational. Motivational content inspires and encourages individuals to pursue their goals. Okay, so click on use it, and in this section you have to select your languages. So you can select your Korean, Dutch, Turkish, Swedish, Japanese, Hindi, Tamil, Arabic, okay, many more. Okay, and also you can add a hook and also you can add a call to action, and the script length should be 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120 seconds. So I'm going to click on 120 seconds, the 100. Okay, 100 plus. Okay, so click on generate a script. Alright guys, amazing. So this tools already generated a script. Alright guys, so click on next. Okay, so in this section you have to select a subtitle style. Okay, so you can select any template. Alright guys, so I'm going to select this one with, okay, so click on next. Okay, perfect. So in this section you have to select the voiceover artist. It's a AI voiceover artist. So you can select from gender, age and languages. So I'm going to select this one. This is my favorite, Adam. So Adam is the most recognizable voice on TikTok, used in many viral videos. So if you want to listen, just click on here.
Allow the world to live as it chooses.
Perfect. I believe you would love it. And then click on generate video. Alright guys, so this tool will help us to create this video. I will show you the final results, don't worry at all. So it's a my project section where I already created many videos.
In a small town lived a young woman named Mia. She had dreams of becoming an artist, but fear clouded her vision. One rainy morning, she received a rejection letter from an art show. The setback hit hard. Doubts whispered, and hope faded. Mia felt lost, but she remembered her grandmother's words. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. With renewed determination, she decided to confront her emotions. Instead of hiding, she faced her sadness. She pulled out her sketchbook and began to draw. Each stroke released her fears. As colors danced on the page, she felt a shift. She realized she had a choice. She could dwell on failure or transform it into motivation. Mia decided to improve. She took online classes, practiced daily, and connected with fellow artists. They shared feedback and encouragement. Slowly, her confidence blossomed. Each sketch became a step forward. Months passed, and Mia found herself ready. She entered another art show, heart-racing, but hopeful. This time, the response was overwhelming. People loved her work. At that moment, Mia felt a wave of relief wash over her. She saw that managing her emotions had unlocked her path. Her journey taught her that challenges could be stepping stones. It was about embracing emotional strength. Mia's story spread, inspiring others in her town. In the end, Mia stood tall, an artist and a mentor. She shared her journey, reminding everyone that setbacks are not the end. They are beautiful beginnings. Embrace your emotions and let them lead you to greatness.
Alright guys, so if you love to create this kind of videos, check the description. I will link over here, and check their pricing section. So they have 3 packages like basic and pro and the enterprise. So as a student and beginner, so you can try with basic, just only $19 per month, and for $19 you can produce 40 faceless videos. That's amazing. So you can save unlimited money and times. Okay, and if you purchase the pro section, you will get 90 faceless videos. Alright guys, so if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification to get this kind of videos. So I will come back with new tutorials, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.